Good afternoon, everybody. Philip Orman here from ipcash.com, and in this video I'm talking to you and giving you a review about EzyFunnel. It's being launched today on the 22nd of December, and I want to give you my honest opinion about this and give you a walkthrough of this product. Alright, this is live. I'm trying to do this is my first ever YouTube live, okay? So if something goes wrong, then my bad. But I want to give you a detailed overview here of the EzyFunnel system. I'm going to give you a detailed review so that you can see and get a clear-cut view of whether or not should you buy it. Okay, that's the point here. So if you're here, then that means you've been emailed by a marketer who is promoting EzyFunnel. It's an e-commerce software which creates funnels for you, injects products directly from places like AliExpress into the funnel, so you can take payments, do email marketing and so on directly from this platform. But is it as good as they say? Well, this review will show you that. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough so you can see what's happening. And I'm going to have a little play around with this live software. I'm using OBS and just to see what it's like, and I'll try and be as honest as I can here. And I can tell you right now, this is not the greatest product, okay? For a few good and valid reasons. This is only my own honest opinion based on my own personal experience as an entrepreneur, as an affiliate marketer. Yeah, please take this as it comes, right? So I'm going to go through now and show you the following. I'm going to show you inside the software. I'm going to show you what it does. I'm going to tell you whether or not I think this is worth the money. In other words, should you buy this? I'm going to tell you who this aims for and what you can achieve with the software if you can. Okay, and I'm just going to cover a few basics here about the whole internet marketing thing, so you know what to look for. Also, if you want to get some free training that I have for you, I've got a 12-step action plan with over 20 hours of training where you can learn how to become an affiliate marketer. So click the link below this video in the description and I'll take you to my free training. But let's jump into this product. As you can see, it's called EzyFunnel, right? It's being launched today. Today's date is the 22nd. So here's the sales page. Now the sales page itself, the main selling points here, as you can see from the video, the main selling points are there's no recurring fees or maintenance cost. Okay, you don't have to manually scout for products. Okay, sounds pretty cool. There's no difficult setup process. Okay. There's no paying expensive hosting or domain. Okay, there's no copywriting, and there's no money on video ads. Now, I'll go through every one of these points here so you understand why these are kind of irrelevant and pointless because of the low quality nature of the software, right? The rest of the sales page itself, I know that you guys have seen this already, but it's quite misleading in a way because they're targeting people who want easy, quick money, and there's a demo right there that shows you how it works. And so this type of sales page is rather misleading, and I'll explain why in a second, okay? Because it's all about easy money, quick money. You can make money, but 1, 2, 3 is always step 1, step 2, step 3, and boom, make money. You can see here, step 3, customize, launch, start making money. Well, no, it doesn't work that way. It's not that quick, it's not that easy, and it just doesn't work that way. And I'll explain why in a second, okay? So the sales page itself, it's okay, but in my opinion, it's fairly misleading and overhyped, okay? And also, take note of the refund policy, okay? 14 days, money back, right? But only if you cannot get the software to work, okay? So you can try EzyFunnel for 14 days. If there are any technical issues, then you can get your money back. Otherwise, you don't get money back, okay? And this is created by a guy called JVZoo. Probably pronounced that wrong. Sorry if I am. So yeah, I'm going to show you inside the members area now so you can see exactly what you're getting, okay? So here is the software, right? It's a simple app. And the idea here is that you can create instant funnels, okay? So the idea is you create an instant funnel, send traffic to it, and people buy it, and boom, they enter your email list, and you can then follow up with more promotions. Great, okay? So I'm going to create a funnel for you here to show you what you're getting, okay? Now, first off, I want to point out that both the sales page and the software is not secure. Okay, you can see that on the top right hand side here. You can see that if I click on this, the website isn't even secure, right? Now, whether this is because this is a few minutes before the launch of the software, maybe, I don't know. If it is, my apologies, but to be honest, right now, guys, secure your website, okay? It takes seconds to do. So why this isn't secure, I have no idea. You know, these guys are supposed to be professionals, but they haven't even got a secure website themselves. What does that tell you? Well, that's up for discussion. But so I'll create a funnel now so you can see. So you've got hot products, unlimited hot products, done for you products, VIP hot products. Okay, so I'll just go for a hot product here, and you can see a list of products right here that you can click on to create a product. So let's say I take this car clip phone holder. Click on this, and you can see here, I'll just minimize myself a little bit so I can get myself out of the way. You can see here that it automatically pulls in all the data from AliExpress. You know, this here is kind of cool. You know, this is cool. You know what I mean? Because it means you don't have to edit anything. Everything's here. You simply click create, and boom, you got it. That's cool. So you click on create funnel, and that's great. And you can choose template. Perfect. I'll choose the green one here. It looks pretty cool. And here's all the sales details. You put in the price. You put in your do you want an upsell or not? Is there a countdown timer? I'll put yes. You put 2 days, 5 hours, 2 hours, 2 minutes, 2 seconds. Payment, Stripe and PayPal. Cool. I'll put 30 days for the delivery. That's it. That's all we do. Cool. And I'll click on create funnel. Okay. And that's the funnel created. Now I can click on the edit button right here, and then that will load up an editor where I can edit this page, right? Cool. And I can edit it. I can click on here. I can edit it and do whatever I want. Sweet. And then when it's ready, I click on launch. Okay, and that's it launched. That's that page up now, and now you can send traffic to it, so you can start making money. But there's a few problems here. Okay, if I actually go to visit this page, this is the page you get. Now, I don't know about you, but this page does not fill me as a consumer with confidence. I would not buy from this page. Why? Because, well, let's start with the obvious. This site isn't secure, right? Now, again, this might be because this might be a tester. You can see here, this is a JV Access test page, so this might be because the software is being tested. It probably is, but might not be. If it is, my apologies, but right now, as I'm testing this right now, it's not secure. And also, I would not buy from this URL. Look at the URL, it's ugly as hell. It doesn't inspire confidence, okay? But please bear in mind, I'm using a test software, so that might be the reason. But let's leave that as it is. Also, you can see here, this here does not inspire confidence, right? So for me, if I land on this page here, I probably wouldn't buy this because there's no money back guarantee. There's no. If I click on the order button here, okay, so I need to. Okay, I'll jump back here, and I'll quickly refresh here, see what happens here, and I'll go to the URL here. Okay, so I'm back here. So if I click on order now, okay, it won't take me to the thing. If you're logged in as owner, okay, I'll try incognito mode, see if that works. Okay, so this is the checkout page, right? And again, when I come to here, this checkout page does not inspire me to want to buy this, right? It doesn't have, there's no money back guarantee, there's no testimonials, there's no authority here, there's no branding, nothing, all right? So for me, it just simply isn't good enough, right? And also, if you go back to the sales page here and you read down, the fact that it says here, no domain hosting needed, okay? Everything is done inside there. So that means you're beholden to the name that they give you. You can't change it. You can't edit the layout of the site. You don't even own the domain name. There is no domain name. That means you're not building a brand. You're not building a long-lasting business here. This is just a gimmick, okay? And also the fact that here, no recurring monthly fee. What do you think that means? Okay. Why do you think Shopify and ClickFunnels, why do you think they charge a monthly fee? It's because apps like this and software require continuous development, continuous updating, continuous everything, because having apps and software like this requires maintenance, right? So if these guys are not charging a monthly fee, what do you think that means? What do you think that will mean for you as a consumer? How long do you think this app will be available for before it gets outdated or whatever? That's up for debate, but logic and basic business acumen dictates that if someone's not getting paid, they're not going to maintain this, right? But that's just my opinion, my point of view. Okay, and so all this stuff here about everything here is just, in my opinion, is misleading, because especially the sales the profit screenshots here of profit, where the only way for someone to drive traffic to this type of page is to use paid traffic. There is no other way, right? Unless you're using SEO, but that's way too complicated. This here will never rank for SEO. Okay, so using these screenshots here for this product is misleading, because whoever buys this will not be in a position to actually generate traffic. Okay, now if I search on the sales page here for free traffic, you can see it comes up here with this here: drive buyer traffic to your sales page. All you need to do is it says here, generate free viral traffic on demand. That's right, EzyFunnel has social media button integrated. Every funnel we create has a social media button on it. With EzyFunnel now, drive massive amounts of traffic, viral traffic to your funnels. That's not correct, because see if you can spot it. Can you see the viral buttons on this page? Can you see it? Right? They are way over here on the right hand side. Can you see that? If that's what they consider to be viral traffic, then yeah, I'm not quite sure what to make of that, because that is not viral traffic. Because think about it, for someone to share that, they have to be on the page in the first place, okay? And no one's going to share this, right? So there is no viral traffic to be had here, all right? Everything else seems to be in order. Yes, you can integrate your autoresponder. Yes, you can put in a pixel. Yes, there is email swipes. That's cool. So you can see here, there's email swipes. That's pretty cool. But in terms of the software itself, it's just not good enough, put it that way. Now here is an example that I got. This here is another example that they use. Now here you can see the URL is secure, so I'm not sure if that is the final version in terms of if you buy it, this is what you get. Now this here looks a bit better, but same thing again, where it's not fantastic. It doesn't inspire confidence. Personally, for me as a consumer, I would not buy from this, because it doesn't look professional. It doesn't look what I would consider a normal e-commerce page, in my opinion. Okay. So going back to the sales page again, it's just misleading. Okay. And again, guys, think about it. I think this costs $22. Okay, $22. Use your head. What do you think you're getting? Right, $22. No recurring fees. Everything is step 1, step 2, step 3, done for you, whatever. Right? What do you expect for $22? You get this. You get cheap and cheerful. Right? The software works. It will build the page for you, for sure. But it's very low quality. It's not, in my opinion, from where I'm sitting, I will be very surprised if it's going to be maintained and updated, which means in a month, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, a year, this software will no longer be available, or it'll be outdated, or it won't, the API key won't work anymore with the integration, whatever. Things change, okay? Software takes continuous updating, because that's the way it is, right? Because things change. And if there's no monthly fee being paid to the creators of this, it's unlikely they're going to keep updating it, okay? And for me, for this type of thing, it's not, whoever buys this is unlikely to actually see any results, okay? Because in order for you to get traffic to an e-commerce store, you have to have traffic. Well, sorry, that's obvious. You have to use paid traffic, sorry, you have to use paid traffic, right? And the margins on e-commerce, okay, when it comes to drop shipping, is minuscule, is tiny, right? So if you're selling a $20 product and your profit on that is $15, okay, the margin of what you're going to earn is tiny. That's why e-commerce is extremely risky, because you're spending a lot of money on advertising for very little. So when you have a website like this, okay, these are not going to convert that well. Why do you think places like Shopify and ClickFunnels work so well? It's because their pages are optimized. Everything they do is optimized. Shopify has oodles, hundreds of apps and things you can add onto your store to make it more highly converting. Everything is updated. Everything is revolutionized and move forward as you move forward. Okay, this is not. Okay, I'm hoping you see what I'm talking about. So the fee you're paying Shopify, you're paying to have the luxury of having all these apps, all these tools and things. Okay, yes, you have to pay extra for a few things here and there, but that's the price of doing business, right? If you're serious about building a business online, then you have to be willing to spend some money up front. Okay, it's not a case of just spending $10 and then, oh, I'm rich. You know, it doesn't work that way, guys. It's not the way it is. Okay, so when it comes to this product here, EzyFunnel, I'm hoping that you can see that this review shows that it is what it is. It's cheap and cheerful, right? Yeah, it works. It creates funnels for you. But you're not building an authority domain for yourself. You're not building a business for yourself because it's not your domain. You haven't even got a domain, right? You don't even own the website. Okay, you're not building any kind of recurring income in terms of, you're not building a client base because you have no brand. Okay, think about it. And same with the products itself. Inside the software, when you're looking at the products, I didn't see any options there for importing fresh products. All you have is the ones that they give you. All right. So how can you decide what to sell? How do you know if how do you know if these products are actually in demand? How do you know these products are actually in stock? How do you know these products are even any good? There are no reviews there, right? So I'm hoping you can see what I'm doing here. It's by brainstorming. Hi Gary, how you doing, buddy? Yeah, so if you think about it, guys, this here, it's cheap and cheerful. $22, you get what you pay for. Okay, you get what you pay for, right? Now there are plenty of things out there you can buy for less than $20 or whatever that is. Okay, but with this kind of thing, this is not going to help anybody, in my opinion. Okay, based on what I just said, and that's not me slating the creators or anything. This is just common sense, guys. This software will not be of any use to anybody, right? Because it doesn't have enough features. It doesn't look good enough. It doesn't have enough to make it worthwhile. Okay. So yeah, I really hope that this review has helped you. If you have any questions at all, then simply leave a comment below, and please do check out my free training. All right, I've got over 20 hours of free training in a 12-step program. So click the link below, jump in, and it's all free. Jump in there and have a look. Okay. My name's Philip. I'm from IPO Cash. And if you have any questions or if you've used this yourself, please leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel if you want to. And yeah, thanks again, and I'll speak to you all real soon.